Hey everyone, this is Coach Julian. Hope you are well. So I want to share with you something that I've been sharing with my clients, and I've been doing this for years, but I got to use myself as an example, and how every effort counts when you are starting a physical activity. Doesn't matter if it's walking, doing strength training, body weight, hiking, does not matter. Swimming, fast walking. I need to stress this. Every effort count. Now you may be like, yeah, but I don't have the time or I don't have the motivation. So I'll use me as an example. Now, last year my life was disrupted like a lot of people because of the pandemic, and I'm still adjusting. So my regular physical activity routine was definitely changed, and my motivation was gone. I had to focus on other things. This might sound familiar. There was a lot of uncertainty. So I started with 5 minutes. I say it again. I started with 5 minutes. I had no weights, and what I did, I put a timer on my phone, said, can I do 5 minutes? Doesn't matter if it's even sitting meditation. And I planned also let me have some tunes or, have like a video to watch. Many times I was unable to do 5 minutes. However, I kept trying at it. And then that 5 minute turned to 10 minutes and then 15 minutes. And the next thing you know, I was feeling better. And then the physiological changes only happen, my friends. Physiological is is the frequency of your weekly activity. However, every physiological change, adaptation is huge. It's all relative, right? So you feel great, and then you're like, okay, next week I'm going to try to do 8 minutes, or maybe change up my routine, or maybe buy some new exercise equipment. Or you may already have things at home and you're like, I still have a receipt for it and never used it. And today is the day I'm going to at least read the instructions or go give it for a test run. So that's about it. I just want to give you some motivation. I'm thinking of you, and I'm using myself as an example. Today I was able to finish 2 sets of a workout. That was huge for me. I'm very happy about that. Remember, it's about frequency and doing the best you can. If you have any questions, post it in the comment. Till next time, be well and stay active.